In a previous video, I talked about this magical place in your marketing called the altitude of integration. If you haven't seen that video, I've linked it in the comments. Go check it out. I'm Kelly, your integrated marketing co-pilot. I help you navigate your marketing in a way that makes it cohesive while making the maximum impact on your success. Today, I'm going to talk about integrated marketing and how, as a small or medium business in the age of marketing specialization, it's important to make sure that even though you may dive deep into one aspect of your marketing, it's important to keep everything integrated to create a cohesive, impactful experience for your customers. There are so many channels and strategies for successful marketing, it can be hard to keep them straight, hard to know which ones to follow, and which ones will work for your business. It's important to realize that while everyone's touting the newest social media channel, best funnel method, and flavor of the day, those strategies aren't always going to last. I'm not saying don't try a new strategy if it seems like it would work for your business. It's great if you can find one and ride the wave as long as you can. But if that's the only strategy you focus on, you'll eventually find several gaping holes and missed opportunities in your marketing. If all of a sudden that magic method stops working, you'll be scrambling to find the next thing and the next thing. That's why integrated marketing is such an important focus for your business. Integrated marketing focuses on utilizing various automation tools paired with cohesive strategy across all the channels of your marketing to assure that your leads and your customers have the best experience possible. It's also not going to put all of your eggs in one basket, so you'll have multiple streams of leads and sales. Say I've decided to follow the TikTok trend and spend all of my time and energy creating videos and promoting my projects and services there. You may find short-term success, but you're building on borrowed land. If you neglect to build both your email and utilize warm and cold traffic and build relationships with existing customers, you'll eventually find yourself out of ideas and sources of new leads and more sales. So how do you make sure your marketing is integrated? Doesn't it sound like a lot of work and management to keep everything running? It can be, but it doesn't have to be. The first step is to identify any holes you have in your integration. I'll help you make that happen at the end of the video. Then, once you identify the holes, look at them in the path of your customer's journey. This will help you prioritize which areas are most important. Then start with the most important and knock them out one by one. Let's say you've been spending all your time on TikTok. But when someone shares your TikTok to Instagram, someone sees that and then they Google it, that person might not be on TikTok, but they're very interested in staying in touch with you. But they have no way to sign up for an email and get your latest news because they can't find you. The bummer here is that you're missing all kinds of potential and customers, and it's not even that hard. There's all kinds of automations and tools that you can use to help take your customer on a journey to connect and stay in touch with you. You'll be surprised at how easy it'll be to fill the holes because you don't always need to come up with something brand new across all of your channels. See, you want your messaging and your images to be consistent throughout all of your channels. So in actuality, you're repeating much of the same things over and over, whether that's graphics, content, or messaging. So where do you get started? Grab my Integrating Marketing Fix guide and start filling in the gaps. There's a link below in the description so you can grab it there. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos.